Transport is one of the hardest areas to decarbonise if we're going to meet the 2050 targets because of the advantages of the energy density of the fuels that are currently used. The problem is here today. And so the focus in the shorter term is on efficiency gains and whether or not we can improve the efficiency of big vehicles like the ones you see. The luxury of the ETI programme has been that we can take a step back and look at the whole system and how the whole system operates together and squeeze efficiencies out of the system by making it work better together, and matching that with the engine and be able to run the engine, a smaller engine, at a constant speed or close to constant speed, and matching all the load systems around it. Our target has been to reduce the CO2 emissions on this type of vehicle by about 30%, and I'm pleased to say we've reached pretty much that number with the vehicles you see behind you.
We started with a very challenging application on our articulated trucks, but the goal of the program was really to look at more broad opportunities for building block technology and system integration results that could be achieved during the course of a program like this.
The heart of the system change is around the continuously variable transmission. That allows you to derate the engine and run the engine at a constant speed, and therefore run the engine as efficiently as possible. There are ancillary systems like the heating and cooling systems. What people probably don't realise is with these types of vehicles operating in very hot climates, the engine may be run 24 hours a day just to keep the air conditioning running. And obviously that's not great for carbon emissions. So by introducing refrigeration systems onto these vehicles with a storage for that thermal energy, we can increase the efficiency of the overall cycle.
Now we will entertain the idea of moving those building blocks into a component new product introduction programs, and then look at their potential applicability across a broad range of our new product introduction programs in order to help efficiency improvement that we can deliver for our customers. This has demonstrated what's technically capable and possible, but there are still cost engineering, reliability engineering, and aspects of research and development that would need to be invested in order to take these technologies to a point where they can be reliably deployed in heavy goods vehicles and in our kinds of off-road applications.
The other thing I think is important to note is how an approach that takes a systems approach that integrates modelling with test rigs, with vehicle integration, works well together and is a self-reinforcing innovation cycle. As we try and face net zero, which is the way I think the climate change argument is moving, then quicker innovation cycles are going to be absolutely fundamental for us to tackle climate change.